Nish, certified home inspector and proud owner of Homegaze Inspection Inc. Today, we are talking about something small but super important. Ever wonder what this little button on your outlet is for? Let me show you how it could literally save your life. It's called a GFCI outlet, and it's like a bodyguard of your electrical system, especially near water. So what exactly is a GFCI? GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. Does it sound like a tongue twister? Don't worry, I'm here to make it easier for you. So if electricity starts leaking through you or through water, this thing cuts power instantly. We're talking about milliseconds. I know, like your next question would be, where do we need a GFCI outlet? GFCI outlets are recommended to be installed in spaces where there is a high possibility of water getting into the outlet, like bathroom, kitchen, laundry rooms, and outdoors. Now, let's go and see how to test a GFCI outlet. Are you worried that you'll get electrocuted? Don't worry, you will not. It's recommended that you test these outlets at least once a month, and you can do it by yourself.
This is a GFCI outlet in a washroom. So you can see there are two buttons. The red button is for the reset button, and the black button is for the test button. So like when I press the test button, the light in the washroom would go off. So let us try it. See? So it means that the circuit has tripped. So like if I press the red button, the reset button, the light will turn on again. See? So when I press the test button, the outlet assumed that there is a leakage of electricity and it tripped the circuit. It is recommended you do this testing once in a month to know if the GFCI is working absolutely right.
If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more home maintenance and safety tips. You'll find link to our Facebook and Instagram pages down below in the description. Come hang out with us there too. This is Nish from Homegaze Inspection Inc channel, helping you feel at home before you move in there.